Gadway here with a quick update on clicks for iPhone 17. Kevin and I just flew halfway around the world to check on progress and make some key decisions on our latest Clicks keyboard case. This is the new Smoke color with a black keyboard and a red accent on the Clicks key. Smoke turned out even better than we hoped. It's a cool gray that pairs with all the new iPhone colors. The new contoured enclosure of the Clicks case has been specially designed to let your iPhone's color shine through. Kevin and I have both found that in daily driving Clicks for iPhone 17 over the last few weeks, the new edges of the case make it even more confident and comfortable to carry and to hold. These latest prototypes are more refined and feel great in the hand. Compared to the previous handmade samples, these latest samples are now made with the production tooling. We fine-tuned the angle of the side enclosure, giving more clearance around the buttons, making it easier to interact directly with iPhone's native control surfaces. We also decided to increase the density of the polycarbonate to make the enclosure more durable. So compared to the previous generation that had a soft touch finish that could sometimes get cut or nicked when dropped, these latest Clicks keyboards are going to feel harder and almost like a phone itself. Another thing I love is that the finish on Clicks for iPhone 17 almost has a pebble-like texture on the back that feels absolutely great to the touch. And here are the lanyard attachment points at the bottom corners of the case, making Clicks easy to use with a crossbody or wrist strap. We're still working on dialing these in to make it easier to add and remove lanyards, but we'll continue to work on that with the next round of prototypes. Everything is still on track, and we'll continue to bring you updates as we get closer to mass production and our ship date. But for now, there is still time to pre-order your Clicks for iPhone 17 for the 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or base iPhone 17 and get it in the first wave. See you in the next update.